belly. This is what you wanted to start with.
Here's her belly. There is no belly.
There's no more belly.
Look at that, huh?
You want the front view?
All
and
right.
The other side.
The other side looks the same as the other side.
Yep.
Okay.
The bulge that came out of it is right behind you.
Okay, here we go.
Taking a rest.
There's little Tyler.
See if we have a
Look at
face for
him.
Grandpa.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa Dinsmore.
Grandpa. He says, I just had a bottle and I am really tired.
Hi,
Oh,
Grandpa
I'll try.
Dinsmore.
My eyes for you.
Hi, Grandpa Dinsmore. Oh.
Oh, aren't I cute?
Is he making any faces?
He's making faces.
Oh, good. Make faces.
Yeah.
Is he scrunching up his face?
Now he's trying to open up his eyes. He just had how many ounces?
About 3.5, I think.
About 3.5 ounces of food.
He's an eater.
Yes, he likes to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he takes after the Dinsmore side.
Phoebe says, I want to eat. Phoebe.
Did Phoebe just eat?
No, he hasn't eaten yet. Phoebe, are you
See,
hungry?
Maybe I should switch him around so you can get a better view of him.
Sure.
Come on, Tyler. Oh.
Hi, Ty.
Okay, there we
Let's see
go.
here. That's kind of
Uh-oh.
compelling.
Tyler says,
Did he have another?
Did he have another blowout? Let's see. Check it
I
out.
don't want to put it on the
So
video.
no.
He'll be humiliated when he's older.
Let's see
There.
here.
There we go.
Your hand's so bad.
Hey, Tyler. Hey, Tyler.
That's a scrunchy face.
That's Taylor Thomas.
Yeah.
Quit bugging me. Quit bugging
I like
me.
to put my hands in my mouth.
Maybe Mama wants to hold him a minute here. Go to Mama. Is he backwards?
It's not that one.
It's okay.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Tyler. Can you
There he
say,
is.
hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa. I can't wait to meet you. I can't wait to meet you.
I really just can't wait to go to sleep.
I really can't wait to take a dump in another leak.
Oh, what was that face?
What is that face?
Please look over here. There you go.
Say hi, Grandpa.
I'm
waking
have
up
him
for
make the
you.
sweet face.
Look at that.
I'm waking
Look
up
at
for
that
you.
sweet face.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
He's trying so hard to wake up.
I'm trying very hard.
Okay. Okay, now Donna's gonna feed the